Sky 518, contact tower 123.77.
123.77, 518. Portland Tower, Sky K4518 is 11 miles to the south, inbound for landing with VFR.
Cessna 4 Whiskey Whiskey, contact tower 118.7.
118.7 to 4 Whiskey Whiskey.
Alaska 927, contact departure, have a good day.
Port departure, Alaska 927, good day.
Number 84518 Portland Tower, roger, continue inbound, maintain VFR, Portland number 2990.
2990, 84518.
And Skyx 518 traffic, 12 o'clock, 5 miles as a Cessna maneuvering over downtown at 1,800.
We'll be looking for the traffic, 518.
Last 571 traffic passing northbound, no factor.
Roger.
Cessna 518, contact Portland Tower 118.7.
118.7, 518. Portland Tower, Sky K4518 is with you, descending for 1,700.
Sky K4518, Portland Tower, cross over the control tower for a right midfield downwind, runway 28 right. You're number 2, following Embraer, about to join a 900-mile final, runway 28 right.
That's other tower for right downwind for 28 right, number 2, 84518. Alright, crossing over the runway, we are 28 right. We're going to do a right downwind. Alright, we are going to turn right downwind. Let's view of Mount Hood out there. Okay, right downwind, 28 right.
Skyhawk 518, traffic to follow on a 3.5-mile final, and Embraer 175 descending through 1,300.
Alright, looking for the traffic, 84518. Traffic inside, 84518.
Skyhawk 518, turn base leg, your discretion to follow that traffic. Caution wing turbulence, wind 310 at 13, gust 20, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, we're following the traffic, 84518.
Encompass 5691, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, Skyhawk 1600 is following you.
Inside Compass 5691.
Okay, let's slow her down. Carb heat. Pulling power. Got the aircraft there in sight. Caution wing turbulence. Alright, we're gonna turn base. They're in flap range. Slow down too much. We'll slow down some. About 85. Do we need to drop altitude? Let's see, I want to touch down beyond where he touches down. Want to stay above him. We are cleared to land to a right. Watching speed, we're at 90. Okay, touchdown at the oh man, we are a long way from home. speed is 80. Alright, we are past the touchdown point.
Sky 518, you parking in Atlantic today?
Flight craft, please.
And Sky 518, you can taxi via Alpha 4 into the inner ramp, and you can remain my frequency. Good day.
Alpha 4, stay on this frequency. 518. Oh, thank you, Lord. Right, do I go straight? Well, I'm just gonna... How about I just pull over here? Second landing at Portland Airport. Got it on video this time. They send so much information at you so fast, it's just tough to process it all when you're at it. Not practiced at it, but anyway. Good landing, good experience. Woohoo. Time to proceed on to the Philippines.